Indian benchmark indices continued their upward momentum, opening higher for the 7th consecutive session, boosted by the banking and IT stocks following US President Donald Trump's signal of possible tariff exemptions for multiple countries. Sensex gains over 100 points, Nifty above 23,650, all sectors in the green. Akash Jindal, senior economist, joins us on the broadcast to give us his perspective. So thank you so much for taking out time and speaking to us. How do you view the performance of the market today, sir?
See, now global atmosphere is becoming better. Now there's a possibility that perhaps US may not go that aggressive with the tariffs. That's a huge relief for the global economy and global markets. So whenever there's a relief for global economy, since all the economies of all the countries in the world are integrated, definitely there has to be some impact on Indian markets. Apart from that, data also coming from US has been good. Consumer confidence in US is increased. Plus there's a possibility that there could be double interest rate cut by Fed in US. And then my organization Akash Jindal Lawton feels in India, the domestic data has been very, very excellent. 2015 to 2025, we have grown our GDP by 105%. That's the highest growth. I mean, we have grown faster than US, China, Germany, Japan, all the 4 economies which are bigger than us. Then there's another data, 2023-24. Yes, I'm talking about last year, but the data has been revised for GDP. We have achieved a GDP of 9.2% according to revised data. Income tax collection, if you talk about our domestic income tax collection, 16th March data reveals that our income tax collection has grown by more than 16%. GST also, the numbers have been very good, 1.96 lakh crore for January 2025. So Indian economy anyway is doing excellently well. Initially what happened, immediately after joining of Donald Trump, tariff war started, which kept on escalating, tariffs, then reciprocal tariffs, then retaliatory tariffs. Now there seems to be a relief as far as tariffs is concerned. Definitely that's going to have a good impact on global economy. And global economy, when things look better, definitely markets would be better. US markets also have been good. So I think, see, global economy was going through a slowdown. Now what was happening was, with the global economy going through a slowdown, now with the US tariff war, that slowdown could have very well escalated into a recession. So that's what the global economy was fearing. That's why global markets were down. But now, since there is no negative news for the past 7 to 10 days, and there's perhaps a welcome news that there may be a stopper on further tariffs, that's giving relief to global markets and Indian markets. And Indian economy, as I told you in isolation, is doing exceedingly well. Our consumption data, our demand data, which is the strength of our economy, is increasing and showing very good returns. So
indeed, sir.
Now,
absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely, sir. With that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast. But before we conclude the bulletin, I have, in fact, the Sensex numbers in the Nifty 50. I'm going to request my crew to quickly pan on what I have over here to give our viewers an understanding on how it is that the market is performing today. So again, of course, the markets opened at 9:15 a.m. BSE Sensex right over here, it opened at 78,296.28 points. The higher point being 78,741.69, and as of now, of course, we're looking at the big numbers flashing right now. 78,068.64 points is what BSE Sensex is looking like. There has been a jump by 84.26 points is what we're seeing, which is 0.11% upward. So again, that's BSE Sensex and of course how it's performing today. But let's quickly shift our focus to Nifty 50, where the market today opened at 23,751.50 points, the higher point being 23,869.60. And of course, we can see those numbers looking nice and green over here. 23,674 is the number and the point that we're tracking right now. 18.95 points upwards, which is roughly 0.08% upwards as well. So again, we've taken you through Sensex, we've taken you through Nifty 50. In the past 1 week, all of these, again, looking at the market itself, it has been in the green. And again, those are the developments that we are tracking for you amidst the Trump tariff war that is raging and has, of course, an implication on many parts of the world, including India.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.